Hello YouTube, welcome to channel CO Car 212.
Hyundai touted the idea of a hot model back at the 2016 Paris Motor Show in the form of the RN30 Concept, while the firm's involvement in the World Rally Championship since 2014 has delivered the impetus to develop new performance models. With an extensive Nurburgring testing regime under its belt, Biermann, Hyundai's executive vice president of its new high-performance vehicle division, says that it aims to deliver an accessible high-performance package. Under the bonnet sits a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 247 bhp and 353 Nm of torque. It means that Hyundai's new entrant onto the hot hatch scene outguns the 242 bhp Golf GTI Performance pack in terms of sheer power, while the i30 boasts a performance pack of its own, which turns the wick up to 271 bhp. Power is delivered to the front wheels via a 6-speed manual gearbox, and the standard i30 cracks 0-62 mph in a claimed 6.4 seconds before going on to a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Adding the performance package slashes the 0-62 mph time by 0.3 to 6.1 seconds, though top speed remains an electronically limited 155 miles per hour. The i30 boasts a spread of performance parts typical of the latest hot hatches. Launch control and a rev matching function both feature, plus 5 selectable driving modes and electronically managed suspension. An N button coaxes the car into its most dynamic setup, but drivers can tailor settings through an N custom mode. Those who plump for the performance package get an electronic limited slip differential, plus larger brakes, a variable valve exhaust system, and larger 19-inch wheels shot in Pirelli P0 rubber alongside the additional power. In terms of looks, the i30 fits right in with the current hot hatch crowd. An aggressive new front bumper slots in alongside the car's trademark front grille, and a sporty red insert has also been added. New air inlets are added to each corner of the car's front end, aiding aerodynamics and brake cooling. At the back, the car gains a new rear apron with a diffuser plus twin exhaust exits, while a new gloss black spoiler on the hatch lid is home to a triangular central brake light. 18-inch wheels come as standard. In the cabin, the dashboard and switchgear found in regular versions of the i30 is paired off with sporty new additions. A sports steering wheel with additional driving mode buttons is found, alongside a golf ball-style joystick and new sports seats. Contrasting blue stitching is dotted around the cabin. In terms of tech, a 5-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is included as standard. The larger 8-inch display with built-in satellite navigation is kept on the options list, but it features new and exclusive N menu displaying power usage, turbo boost, plus a lap timing function. The N menu is also where the driver can alter the car's customizable settings. Safety and assistance tech is lifted from the regular car, and autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist and the driver monitoring system make a cut.